Realtors, Lofty just dropped a nuke on the CRM game. Lofty 4.37 is here, and they basically just released a literal fleet of AI employees right onto your dashboard. And look, I'm gonna be straight with you. If you don't turn these features on today, you're choosing to do the manual labor that's already obsolete. This isn't some cute little UI tweak where they moved a button from the left to the right. This is a complete takeover. Most agents are going to sleep on this because they're too busy treating their CRM like a digital junk drawer instead of a weapon. But I went through the patch notes so you don't have to, and I pulled out the 5 best things that are actually going to make you money. So let's get into it. First off, and this is the headline, AI Copilots. Lofty basically launched these specialized AI agents that live inside your account. Think of these as little digital employees. Their whole job is to handle the grunt work that we all hate doing. Cleaning up data, nudging follow-ups, and surfacing all your insights. Because let's be real, if you're spending your morning updating fields and trying to remember, wait, did I call that dude last Tuesday? Then stop. You're wasting your time. These co-pilots carry that load so you can focus on the only thing that pays the bills, which is closing deals. It's leverage without having to put another human on payroll. But here's the reality check. None of those co-pilots matter if your data is trash. And be honest with me, most of you have a database that looks like a total mess. It's full of dead leads, wrong numbers, and random people from 3 years ago. 3-year-old leads can be great, but we want to make sure the data's right, and that's exactly why this new AI lead analysis is so important. It scans your database and finds the high-value opportunities and basically tells you, hey dude, forget the noise, call these 10 people right now. It cuts the stress so you stop guessing and you get clarity. And in this market, clarity equals speed. Now, for my sales agent users, listen to this, because this solves the biggest problem in our industry right now. Look, I know that phone can feel like it weighs 1,000,000 pounds when you go to make your call, and this is exactly what's gonna fix it. So before this, you'd look at a lead and overthink it. You'd get nervous and not dial. Now, the AI taps you on the shoulder with a new task notification when the AI books an appointment or spots a hot lead, and it pings you immediately. But it doesn't just say, hey, call John. It says, hey, call John because he just looked at this property and here's the script. Then you click one button and the script is created right there on the fly. The phone starts ringing and you don't have time to be scared. You just execute. And speaking of execution, this next update is a game changer for anyone working with families and lenders and needing that group texting. Finally, we've been asking for this forever, and before this update, if you had a husband and a wife or a lender involved, it was a total nightmare. You had disjointed threads, people replying from the wrong numbers, and it just looked amateur. Now Lofty finally fixed it. You can now have a single thread with multiple people, your buyer, their spouse, the lender, everybody all in one spot. It keeps the communication clean and it makes you look like a pro. Another quick thing they added is automatic frequency control for your emails. Let me break that down. We all worry about being spammy, right? So if you send too much emails, they unsubscribe. If you send too little emails, they forget you. Well, Lofty now adjusts this automatically based on the engagement from the lead. So if the lead is clicking, they'll get more. If they go cold, the system backs off to protect your email reputation. So you just set it and forget it. And lastly, guys, AI filters. This is just a quality of life upgrade, but it's dope. Instead of clicking 1,000,000 drop-down menus to build a segment, you can now just use natural language. You can literally type in, show me all the buyers in Denver under 600K who have been active this week, and boom, the list is there, less clicking and more doing. So guys, here is the play. Don't get overwhelmed, just pick one thing. So if your database is a total mess, then run the AI lead analysis. If your communication is sloppy, set up your group text. We are trying to build systems here so you can actually get your time back. And I'm curious, so drop a comment down below. What's your biggest bottleneck in Lofty right now? Is it the messy database or is it the call reluctance? Let me know, because if enough of you have the same problem, I'll shoot a deep dive video on exactly how to fix it. And look, if you want to stop guessing and actually install these systems into your business right alongside me, then that's exactly what we do inside the Carbon Collective. It's not a course. It's where we build the engine together so you can stop being a slave to your phone. The link is down below in the pinned comment. And if this video saved you time from having to read all those patch notes, then hit that like button so I know to keep making these. All right, guys, that's it for today. Keep building, and I'll catch you on the next one.